Yo, what's good peeps, it's your everyday techie and we're back with another video, and today we're looking at the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. And you know the slogan, just do it. Now this is the first Apple Watch I have ever owned. I've bought one for my better half. I bought her the Series 3 a couple of years ago, but never paid much attention to it. I've never been sold on Apple Watches as such. I know they're a brilliant piece of tech. I know that they're absolutely fantastic and they're clever as heck. But the hurdle I couldn't get over is having to charge your phone every single day or every other day. Now don't get me wrong, I like smartwatches and I've been rocking them for years. This is the one I use every day, the Garmin Vivo Active 3. Brilliant smartwatch, battery lasts me roughly about a week, roughly, depending on whether or not I'm doing activities with GPS or anything like that. But for what you're getting, the price and what it does, this is the truth. This is the truth. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to have a look at them, but yeah, this is the truth. Anyway, in the name of science and for my channel, I've seen they brought out a new version. I've always liked the Apple Watch, even though I've never had one. So I wanted to check it out for myself. So the spec I decided to go for the 44mm aluminium in black, and like I say, the Nike edition. Now, price for that is £429, or if you go for the 40mm version, it's for £399. Now, there's no difference in price between the Nike edition and the normal edition, but you do get a bit more. You get a sports band, which I actually like. I think the style of it looks proper, and on top of that, you get access to the Nike Run app. Anyway, and you get additional watch faces. So to me, it's like a no-brainer. I can get a spare strap and I can make it look like a normal one, but I've also got that extra functionality and that extra support through the Nike perks. Let's dive in. Let's see what's popping off. The usual presentation you can come to know and love with Apple. Oh, well, I didn't do a very good job of that, did I? Okay, let's get rid of that, because this is what it is all about. So you got these little tabs on the bottom. I do believe you pull this too. You know, the experience of unboxing Apple products is always nice. We'll take this out of here, which will reveal the Apple Watch itself. So no doubt this is the straps. Okay, and let's go in. Oh, that's nice. The boxing and everything on here is blooming lovely. So you've got an embossed area on there which depicts the screen of the phone. I will put them to the side. Oh, I like inside of there as well. You got all the different colors. It's quite quirky and it's a nice experience. So if you guys, Christmas is round the corner, if you want to be buying these for your partners or else, it is a lovely, lovely present for Christmas morning. Very, very nice. But remember, if you don't have an Apple Watch, you can get the Series 3 starting at £199. That is an absolute bargain. I'll leave a link in the description. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. That's, Apple just do things right. You've got like a suede cover for the watch itself. In here you will have all of your paperwork, instructions and all that, but I'll leave that to one side. here you've got your magnetic and wireless charger. I do have a wireless charging pad upstairs which I use for my phone, so no doubt I will be popping the watch on there on a night to juice up, or when I'm in the shower and stuff, just to keep the battery topped up. And here you have your adapter. I'm loving the way this comes packaged. I must say, I am loving the way this watch comes packaged. This unboxing experience is nicer than that of an iPhone. It is proper nice. This is nice. I like it. Oh my word, attention to detail. Apple, you are the absolute kings when it comes to this. Nice. Nice, nice. And like I say, I have gone for the aluminium. I just couldn't justify spending the premium that you spend on the other watches. Let's take a look at the straps. Got yourself a little green pull tab here. Apple, man, it's just Apple, innit? Flipping, don't play with the big A, man. Don't play with the big A. So again, you have got your usual information, and in here we have the band. So you get two sizes. You get one size, and then you also get a large, so for whatever your wrist is, Apple's got you covered. Okay, so you've got your small, and then you've got your medium and your large. It's time to remove the garment. You've heard me say it, and I'm gonna say it again. I'm gassed. I'm gassed because I have not used one of these before, so I am really looking forward to using it. The strap feels so nice. That feels nice. If you've not used an Apple Watch before, putting it together is pretty straightforward. Your bands just slide in here like so, and then to release the bands you press on this button and slide again. So they really are convenient, and you know Apple just keeps things simple. Okay, I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna connect it to the, oh, wrong phone. I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna connect it to the Pro Max, and we'll see what's popping. Okay, so let's quickly breeze through the pairing experience, because this is a first for me and it's probably a first for a lot of you guys out there. So first of all, you greet with this screen. You click on information. You then get to select your language. I'm gonna go for the big E. Set language. Yep, United Kingdom. Takes a couple of seconds to set the language. Okay, so now it's gonna ask me to start pairing with the Apple Watch. So if I click this open, let's see what happens. Look at that, instant, boosh. Pop that in front, so hold it in front of the screen. Can you guys see that? That was nice, seamless and straightforward. The design and the feel, I'm feeling this. I am feeling this. The strap and the color, it is not exactly black, it's anthracite, and I do like anthracite. And attention to detail, so is the little case it came in. It's nice. It is nice, mate. Apple don't mess about when it comes to presentation and what they're doing. They smash it out of the park. So if you have a look at that little animation's going on. This is it syncing to my phone. Excuse me, that's the Garmin going off, telling me to get off my backside and move. But yeah, we're almost there with the sync, and you see that little animation wheel there? We're almost there. Okay, so that now tells me, it says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown. Oh, the haptic engine on this blooming watch is serious. This is the business. You see there? It says Run Club. I'm feeling that. I have never had an Apple Watch before. This is the first time. It was pretty straightforward, pretty seamless. Always the same with Apple products. It works well, the setup process was really nice. No issues whatsoever. I'm feeling the look of that, feeling the screen. So what this has now, this has an always on display, which I quite like. It should have an always on display. I probably have to enable that in the settings. So like I say, I'm gonna go through, take a look at the watch, take a look at the settings, and give you my first initial impressions before I do a full review. Compared to my Garmin, the Garmin is much lighter, but it feels cheap in comparison. That's the best way to explain it. It feels cheap in comparison. And if you have a look at the screen resolution, you really do need direct light on a Garmin to experience anything even remotely close to that, so far as legibility and brightness. But again, it's not about the Garmin. The only reason why I show you this is because I've been using this every single day, so my views will go off using smartwatches like Garmin's, because I've not used the Samsung either, so that's all I've got to compare to, unfortunately. So there you go, that's the initial setup. The watch itself is just, it's so nice, it looks, and that's why I went for the black. I wanted the black because I've got the Space Grey 11 Pro Max, and if you put them together and you look at them together, even though the Space Grey is lighter, it's still it's a nice match. I also like the white band, the white sports band. I really like the white sports band. I think that looks bad. I might have to get that, so I've got the white sports band with the black face, because trust me, that is an absolute sick combination, in my opinion. Initial thoughts on the design, it's lovely. It's an Apple Watch, it's lovely, and it feels nice. It feels really nice. So there you have it, guys. Quick unboxing, first impressions, and a quick run through of the Apple Watch Series 5 to let you know what to expect if you're new to the whole experience like me. Let me know what you think. Help me out with my channel, guys. Any support is much appreciated. Let's spark a little healthy conversation in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Do you think that the Apple Watch Series 5 is the best option? Do you think it's the 4? Do you think it's the 3? Me personally, value for money, as I've said, I think it's the 3. 199 quid, you cannot go wrong. Let me know the watch faces you guys are rocking with and what complications, you know, let's see what's popping off, man. Give me some ideas, because I'm quite new to this. Let me know what apps work well with the Apple Watch, because again, I'm new to this, man. You guys, some of you guys are veterans. Maybe you've had them since Series 1 and you just want to know whether or not this is worth the upgrade. In my opinion, it's a banger. First opinion, first impressions, it's a banger, but let me play with it, come back to you and give you the real. So if you want that, hit the subscribe, tickle the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.